Hello, welcome to Mega Tech Cafe YouTube channel. Every day we drive our vehicle on the road, but are we aware of what types of road we are driving? There are 5 different types of roads we have, each with different set of rules and overtaking permission we have. We are well aware that road rules are very commonly ignored by majority of us. So let's educate ourselves to ensure we are following the road rules correctly for safe and sound driving experience. We can see different types of lines in white and yellow colors on roads. What it means, let's see. This called broken white line. This broken white line we can see commonly around the country roads. This is the most seen line in white. This broken white line, it indicates while driving gives the driver permission for overtake and take U-turn. But you need to ensure that the road is clear and it is safe to perform such drive. The same yellow broken line, it indicates you are allowed to overtake or take U-turn and you could do both while going over the line. This both color of broken white and yellow lines, it indicate while driving give the driver permission for overtake and take U-turn. This double continuous thick yellow line. A double continuous yellow line is strictly not permitted for overtaking or U-turn or no line changes. It means a double continuous white line. A double continuous white line is also strictly not permitted for overtaking or U-turn or no line changes. We Indians are always in hurry on the road too, while driving, while crossing the road or even while walking. The road markings that you see on the road are meant to provide guidance for disciplined and safe driving. Here we can see zebra crossing line. It's for pedestrian to cross the road across the world. When the walking sign in green light up on the traffic signal, it indicates that the pedestrian can cross the road using the zebra crossing. As per the new Motor Vehicle Act, vehicle passing roads have to stop at this line before the zebra crossing on seeing the red traffic light. It to allow the people to cross the street. Vehicle passing on road have to stop at this line before the zebra crossing. Remember it. Vehicles will be fined a hefty amount for jumping the zebra crossing at traffic signals. When the walking traffic signal in green lights up, it indicates that people can cross the road using the zebra crossing. If there is no specific traffic signal for pedestrian, then they should wait for the traffic to slow down and then cross the street. Vehicle passing roads, when you see the zebra crossing with someone waiting on it, you should be slow down and stop your vehicle. At same time, pedestrian also can tell the driver that they want to cross the road. Do you know road also have shoulder or border we can call. This mark, it indicates the edge of the road. It means a driver must not drive on over a continuous white edge line. In some places, if there is no parking zone, the driver can be allowed to park vehicles of the road edge outer white line. In highways, white edge lines help drivers to stay on the road during low visibility conditions such as fog, rain and snow. But remember it, if you see yellow edge long line, it means you are not permitted to park or stop the vehicle on this road even in emergency. Many of you not aware about this yellow box line. This called yellow box line will be seen in junction roads or main bypass roads. It's called zigzag line or box lines. These yellow box lines, most junction with lines marking are zero tolerance area and you will be penalized if you halt here. These lines are designed to indicate that parking and overtaking in this zone is strictly offenses. So remember it, once you enter to bypass roads, you can see these yellow lines. So these lines are marking our zero tolerance area and you will be penalized if you parking or overtaking in these zones. When you see this line in white or yellow line, be careful. You must not drive on over the line. It's indicate that it used for dividing lines for better traffic management or dividing the road with the divider for the traffic. Driving on the highways. Highways are the major source of accident in the country, and again it is mostly because people are not aware of how to drive on the highways. Nowadays 3-lane highways have become pretty common in our country. So here the structure works as slow, medium and fast as you move from the leftmost to the rightmost line. It is the safest bit to be on the middle line on the highways. The slower vehicle will mostly be on your left while the faster one will be easily overtake you from the right. In case you are in the rightmost line and the faster vehicle behind you, just indicate the left and give the way. You can switch back to the fast line after the faster vehicle has crossed. Another important pointer to keep in mind. On the highways, there is lot of wind blast at higher speeds. The honking of horn not be near to the head of your vehicles. So it's best to flash your light high beams to get the attention of the drivers ahead of you. Dear friends, while driving, if you are going to turn or want to change the line, switch on your turning signal indicator in plenty of time so that the driver behind you, he can see your indicator and he will slow down to give you way. At the same time, if you plan to stop, tap your brakes a few times to slow down so that the driver behind you can see your brake lights flashing. He will understand that you are slowing down and maybe stop. Obey the traffic rules. Traffic rules are in place to help protect you and others while operating a vehicle on the road. Make sure you know the rules and that you apply them to your own driving every day. Dear friends, we hope you always obey speed limits, traffic signs and signals. Dear friends, for more information videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.